We're here today with my friend Rowan at Port Orford Public Library, and we're doing part one of our Rube Goldberg Invention box. And part one involves putting together and playing the Mousetrap game, where we learn how to make a really complicated invention in order to accomplish our goal. So Rowan's going to tell us a bit about what we did to put this together and what it's going to do.
This was the thankful thing that how we had instructions. But if I pull this back, then the shoe's going to hit the bucket, which is going to make it go down the stairs, then go through, I don't really know what that is.
A gutter.
A gutter. Hit to the blank. Hit in the bucket. Hit, and then the broom will come down, bring it up to the gutter, going down the tub to the
to the diving board.
To the diving board, and then get up to the bowl, I think, and then the mousetrap will be coming down.
Okay, are we ready to give it a try?
Yes.
We've got the marble in the bucket. Here goes. Oops. Let's see. Is our contraption gonna work? Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Oh, neat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It happened. What do you think, Rowan?